So this set comes with two sets of the rectangular shaped plastic containers and also the same Russian doll style inner layer of the square ones as well, two sets like this. Very convenient that they can be stacked one inside the other, like this little round one for the squares, one lid set like that into the next box, lid goes on top. These haven't been used yet, so they're really easy to shut. Get to this one in a moment. Stack inside each other. It is pretty convenient, and the rectangular ones work the same way. One thing I did try with this is putting this container, this one, in the microwave with some boiling hot water inside. I put the lid on, I turned it on, made it not boil but go pretty hot, and after tipping it out, pouring the water out, after a single use, the lid sort of bends back and forward a little bit. So the plastic is pretty thin, although it does still seem to go on properly and snap shut. But again, only one use. So overall, it's a nice set of containers, although the plastic is pretty thin compared to some others that I've used. And it does warp just a little bit after a single use in the hot. So I'd say probably 3 stars.